Hi all. We have been discussing Google Sheets, and in the Google Sheet reference, we discussed many things, and we discussed VLOOKUP also. So in VLOOKUP, we had a search key in the left side or in the left columns, and we search that data, and then we pick out the data from right side. But there was no provision that we pick the key from right side and look into left side. Okay, but over here I'm going to discuss Xlookup, which allows us to uh, select the search key from anywhere, whether left or right of the data which we are going to filter. So let's move to our Google Sheet, then I'll show you how to use Xlookup. So here, this is my Google Sheet, and over here I created a sheet in which I kept the search key in the middle, and I want to have the data in the left of the search key and in right of the search key. And my actual data is this. This is my actual data. What I want on the basis of this these admission numbers, the name should be copied in A column and the defaulter should be copied in the C column. And moreover, I'm going to select different columns or filter out different columns, and we can have a array of different columns also. But this time I'm going to show you individual columns, how to copy them using Xlookup. So to apply Xlookup, go to the target sheet. So here, this is a target sheet, and I am going to apply Xlookup here. Xlookup. What is the search key? So my search key is this. This is my search key. And when what is the lookup range? Where I want to search this key, with which is the range in which I have to look up this B2. So my lookup range is here is a column. Okay, so this column A to A. In this, I am going to search B2. Then it says where you want the result, and I want the result from this column. So it should be this. I'll say B to B. B to B, comma, missing value. This option tells us if the value is missed in which we are searching the value B2 value, in which range we are searching the value. If the key does not exist in that range, what should be done? We can apply any ISNA. I can apply ISNA, or we can give any message here. And this time I'm not going to give any message. I will keep it blank. So here this is blank, comma, match mode 0 for exact mode, 1 for greater than, and -1 for lesser than. So I am taking 0 here. Okay, then I'll press this parenthesis and press enter key. So let's see. So this name is here. Okay. And if I suppose double click this, I'll get the entire range of that name. And the same here, I want to search this in name list. Okay. And see here, this is A. I want to search in this range, and what I want the default is means G. So what I should do, I'll uh, copy this and paste it here, and this is B2 actually, B2, and this was A to A, and this was D, and press enter. So as soon as I press enter, so the D column, the first value is no, exactly same is copied there using Xlookup. So if I click here and double click here, so it gives me the complete sheet, and whatever order you want in the same order of your choice is filled with the data using Xlookup. Hope you understood the concept. What is the concept? Again, I am repeating it. I want to search this admission number here, and this exists in left side of the sheet, and I'm my search key is in between of two columns. So I want to search this, but where? In name list. So I am going to search this. So when I search, I want the name and I want the defaulter, whether he or she is default or not. Okay, so this key means this key I want to search, and where? Because a column of name list is having the admission numbers, and what we want, the result I want from B column. And this way, when I apply this these parameters, I want to search this, here I want to search, and this is the output, and I do not want any messes because data is available, and 0 for exact match. If I apply 1 here, it means greater than, and if I apply -1, this is lesser than. So this way we can see the data from Xlookup. This is an advantage of Xlookup over VLOOKUP. So hope you understood the concept, and if you understood the concept, kindly apply in your practice so that you can apply whenever any task is given to you. So this all for the day. We'll meet in the next video. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the video as and when the video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.